This is a Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Tuesday, March 23rd. I'm Tarquin Collette. The activities calendar is getting to full swing as we approach a return to in-school learning. Instruction is still virtual, and so too were the state championships in the Scholastic Bowl. The Commodores ran into some stiff competition in the state tournament, finishing 4th in the state. This is the first time the Commodores have qualified for the state championship tournament. On Friday, the Commodore football team ran its season record to 3-1 with a convincing 41-14 victory over Norview. DeMonte Dunlap ran for 201 yards and 3 touchdowns as the Commodores pulled away in the second half. Yesterday, the boys and girls volleyball teams scored 3-1 wins over Granby. Cooper Chiles had 25 kills, and Hayden Lynch added 28 assists for the Commodore boys. In the girls' match, Lainey Ritter had a whopping 68 assists, while Katie McCullough scored 22 kills for the Commodores. In field hockey, the Commodores continue to roll with a 2-0 win over Wilson. Now here's Chris Dayton with details about what's coming up on the schedule.
Thanks, Tarquin. Today, the Maury golf team will participate in their first district meet of the season. Tee time is 2 p.m., weather permitting. The JV field hockey team battles Granby. Game time is 4 p.m. at Powhatan Field. Tomorrow, the cross-country team will participate in their 4th district meet. Races begin at 3:30 at Churchland. Finally, the boys and girls volleyball teams continue their quest to run the table against district competition as they travel to Wilson. The girls play at 4, followed by the boys at 5:30.
And the field hockey team battles Norview on Wednesday. Game time 4 o'clock at Powhatan Field.
Back to you, Tarquin.
Thanks, Chris. Now here's what's happening at MHS. Finally, you should give a listen to Norfolk Noise, a production of the Maury Music Industry Club. A link to their podcast is in the video description of the Commodore News channel. That's all for Tuesday, March 23rd. I'm Tarquin Collette. Have a great day.
This has been a Commodore News Update.